I'm a teacher by profession and serving the education department from last 17 years. I have been in the various training sessions and have myself conducted different training sessions as a zonal coordinator and a master trainer. But the workshop which has been conducted here from last 2 days, it's of very immense nature. I got very much impressed by two things. One, the no cost, low cost method used by our Himansar. He had given us a way, he had pioneered a way for we people that we can use the kabad. We can say it jugad of kabad. We can use the things which we generally throw in dustbins, and the things can be used, can be manipulated in such a way that can brighten the life of our students. And I myself got overwhelmed by one thing, sir, that was the show my board. What was like that, sir? Himansar, if Himansar is here, yes, sir. So that I'm going to implement at any case in my school. Not only in my own school, I have taken the permission from yesterday from our Deputy Chief Education Officer Kupwara. We are going to start that very show my board in all the schools of, at least in the zone Langate, sir, by the prior permission of the sir. And we are going to donate the amount which will be utilized for the, we can say the purchase of those boards. We will do it by our own pockets from my friend circle. That was one of the great initiatives. So I am highly thankful of the CSIR and Triple M for conducting such kind of workshops, and I hope that these workshops will be conducted in future also for the betterment of the society and to achieve the sustainable development goals as per NEP 2020 and by the UN Convention. Thank you, sir. Thank you.